Alright guys, thank you all for staying tuned and glued to my channel Salako the Analyst. Today we're having a very interesting conversation on the subject of conditional formatting. However, before we delve into that, let's talk about formatting for a second. What's formatting? You might want to drop your comments in the comments field, but for the purpose of this course, formatting is simply the process of customizing the appearance of the data in order to make that data more readable, relatable, to make it visually appealing, and to make it easier to comprehend. That's the essence of formatting. Now, formatting can include font formatting, it can include your cell alignment, it can include your number formatting, but this time around we're focusing on conditional formatting. The word condition there actually already suggests that you are applying conditions to all of this data. So in the case where this data unilaterally meets that condition, and a reaction would happen in this cell. And now let's see what that looks like. Now, to start with, where do you even have conditional formatting in your Excel? You need to go under data, right? Under data. Okay, I meant to say apologies. You need to stay under home, right? And go to, you can see conditional formatting here. So without much ado, so highlight all the cells that you want to apply conditions to. Click on conditional formatting. You have several options. You have the highlight cell rules, you have greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains, and so on and so forth, right? So you have top bottom rules and so on and so forth. So this time around, what we want to do is we want to assign colors to these cells. So let's just say we have let's do between, right? So let's say between 0 and 4. So cells that are between 0 and 4, fill them with light red fill with dark red text. So it does for us just that. Now within the same range, let's go back to our conditional formatting. We have let's give it another rule. Between, so we've applied for 0 to 4. Let's do for 5. So we are aware that we cannot give it the same color. Let's give it a yellow color. You can see that those conditions have been applied, right? So within the same range, let's do the same thing. So from number 10 to number 14. So number 14. So let's apply something else. Let's customize it. Let's request that it gives us. So to customize it, you come here and go under color. Under color, click on, let's say we want to use the blue color, right? So click on OK, and you can see that the text has actually been customized to blue, right? So and within the same range, let's also do from number 16 to number 20, right? So let's say we want to fill that with green. So only have just that. So that's conditional formatting. Now if you apply a format that meets no condition at all, let's say equal to 50, and you want to format it into a red border, nothing like that will happen because there is no cell here that meets that condition. I hope this is clear enough, and I hope this has added value to you. If it has, do well to leave it in the comment section. Do well to share this video with a friend, right? And do well to drop your questions in the comment section. Thank you for staying tuned. My name remains Salako Emmanuel, and I love you guys.